Today I will show you how to run a full scan on your device using an antivirus or anti-malware software. So step 1 is open the application, and you can see I already downloaded the AVG antivirus application. So as you can see, here is the overall features of the AVG antivirus, which is the scan now, the hack alerts, scan Wi-Fi, automatic scan, and clean junk. Step 2 is after you click the scan now, you can see the smart scan progress, and it is already in progress in scanning all of the files in your device. Next is after the scan process goes to 100%, it will display all the issues in your devices. And in mine, I already have 4 issues to resolve, like the database, vulnerabilities, malware apps, and malware files. And it also has advanced issues, which is this device is not scanned regularly. You could be exposed to malicious websites, no sensitive app locks. So after you click the resolve button in the 4 issues, you'll finish the scan, and the window will prompt your browsing is secured, and the scan is finished. So that is all, and thank you.